What's up everybody, it's Zach from EC here with another awesome real view video. Now today we're taking a look at the Rolling Big Power 73R, otherwise known as the Atomic, which is a new wheel that was announced at SEMA in 2017, and it's still new to us because a lot of wheels stay in circulation for a long time. We've got 3 finishes for this one, which is going to be the chrome, gloss black, and gloss black with CNC milled accents, and of course 5 sizes, and we're going to break down those sizes and their measurements, so let's get started. So to kick off this video today, guys, we're going to take a look at some design features of the RBP Atomic. Now, from afar, it does look like a flat-faced wheel, but the nice part about it is it's slightly convex. And when I say slightly, I'm talking like 1 to 2 degrees, but it's just a nice little feature to note. It is a multi-spoke wheel, and each spoke does have this triangle shape Illuminati triangle shape Illuminati windows here. It does have a lip, and that's going to vary in size, so we're going to take a look at those measurements on each side of the wheel. But to note, the lip is actually fairly flat. A lot of times you see them where they kind of slope off. Well, this one really is just a flat lip. Overall, this wheel here is probably my favorite that Rolling Big Power makes, and one of my favorite wheels that anybody makes right now. And remember, this is a new wheel from SEMA for 2017, so just coming into 2018 here, it's a pretty fresh wheel on the market. So right away, we're gonna get into the measurements that we're gonna look at, and what we're gonna do today is we're gonna actually measure the lip. And on this one here, it's the 20 by 9 inches wide, so the lip isn't that crazy deep, but I'm gonna go ahead and measure it for you so you know what you're getting into when you look at this wheel. And it's about 3 inches of lip for this one. So next up, we've got the 20 by 10, and if you look at it, it's gonna be in the gloss black with a CNC milled accents finish. And I gotta say, this is a pretty rad looking wheel. Now, it does have the CNC milling only in certain areas. As you can see, it's on the inside towards the hub, and then on the outside inside the window, which I think is just really nice because it's not an overpowering amount of milling, it's just enough to give some nice accents. Now, we're gonna go ahead and measure that lip, and it looks about the same, but we're gonna check it out. And it's actually a little bit shallower, surprisingly. It's actually 2 3/4 inches on this 20 by 10 wheel. Next on the list, guys, we got a 20 by 12 here, and this is in the all gloss black. Now, this is a monster of a lip, so we're gonna jump right into measuring that. And what I'm finding here is about 5 3/4 inches for this lip on this 20 by 12 wheel. Second to last finish here, guys. Now we've got the 22 by 12, and this is going to be in the gloss black with a CNC milled accent finish, and it's got a pretty decent sized lip here again, so we're going to go ahead and measure that, and we got 5 3/4 inches for that measurement. Last but not least, guys, we've got the 24 by 14, and honestly, this is a big wheel. I love this thing more or less just because of the sheer size, and of course the spokes really complement the lip size. So we're gonna go ahead and measure that lip though, and we're gonna come up with a measurement of about 8 1/4 inches for this 24 by 14 inch wheel. So to wrap up this video today, guys, we took a look at the RBP 73R, otherwise known as the Atomic. Now that wheel came in 3 finishes, being the chrome, the gloss black, and the gloss black with CNC milled accents. And the wheel came in 5 sizes, those being 20 by 9, 20 by 10, 20 by 12, 22 by 12, and 24 by 14. We saw that it is a slightly convex wheel with a very wide lip on the big sizes and a very conservative lip on the small sizes. Now remember, with all Rolling Big Power wheels, we actually have the ability to get those blank, which means we can custom drill any bolt pattern, we can shave the back pad, and bore out the hub for any personalized fitment needs your vehicle may have. This has been a Real View brought to you by EC, and we'll see you at the next one.